Good afternoon to all my dear students. As we did in the last class, the Cartesian product and order pairs. I hope all these concepts are clear in your mind. Now the question based on the Cartesian products are as. So now I am taking the sixth question of the exercise. Here we have given Cartesian product of A and B is this. The elements are AX, AY, BX, B, y in order pair. We have to find the elements of A and B, set A and B. We have to find the set A and B. As we know in Cartesian product, always the first element in order pair belongs to A and the second element belongs to B. So that's why here these first element in order pair are the elements of A. So elements of A are, so A set is, set capital A is A and B. So no other elements are there, and when we are writing the set there is no repetition of the elements. It is already I mentioned and told you. So always when set you're writing, we have to write only the ones, the elements. So A and B, and the second element is of the B, then B are X and Y. So no other elements are there, so X and Y. So set A is AB and set B is X, Y, and this is the answer. Now question number 7, A, B, C, D. You have given these elements. We have to prove A cross B intersection C and A Cartesian product of B intersection A Cartesian product of C. So you have to do this part itself. How to do, I am giving just hint to you. First we have to find B intersection C. As B intersection C there is only B intersection C, there is nothing, phi. So A intersection phi and A, then Cartesian product A and B, and then you have to find Cartesian product of A and C, then intersection of these. So then you have to see what is the intersection of A Cartesian product of B intersection C and Cartesian product of A cross A Cartesian product of A B intersection A Cartesian product of C, and if the both the value it should be equal to. So now I'm taking the, if more question, if you are not getting this how to solve this question, then send the message on my WhatsApp, and then definitely I will solve this question tomorrow. Now next question is second part. I am doing this question. A cross A Cartesian product of A and C is a subset of B and D. So how to do this question? First we are finding the Cartesian product of A and C. So by doing this, as we know how to find the Cartesian product, first element into second, that means 1 5 1 6 2 5 2 6. Similarly VD, these are the Cartesian product here. So as we are observing that here all those elements, 1 5 is also there, 1 6 is also there, 1 6 is also there, and 2 5 is also there, 2 6 is also there. So it means all these elements are in B Cartesian product of B and D. So this means what, the Cartesian product of A and C is the subset of B Cartesian product of D. So this is your answer. Now 8th question, A is this, B is this, and write Cartesian product of A and B. So we are finding the Cartesian product of A and B, this. After that we have to write its subset. So first we know that the number of subset we are finding using power 2 raised power and n means number of elements. So number of elements in this is 1 2 3 4. So that means n is 4. So 2 raised power 4 is 16. So there are 16 subsets, and what are the subsets? So as we know, the phi is the subset of all set and set itself. So first phi, then 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4, that is set itself. After that to write other subsets, but we have to first we have to separate all the elements. These they're like 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4. Then after that we have to make the pair 1 3 1 4, element 1 3 and 1 4, these two elements, then 1 3 2 3, then 1 3 2 4, then 1 4 2 3 1 4 2 4 2 3 2 4, like this. And then after that 1 3 1 4 2 3 together, 1 3 1 4 2 3, sorry, not 2 3 2 4, then means 1 1 we have to missing from, we have bit miss here, then 1 3 2 3 2 4, then 1 4 2 3 2 4. So in this way we got here 16 subset of these which are here. Now ninth question is, if A and B are two sets such that number of elements of A is 3 and number of elements of B is 2, if x1, y2, z1 are in Cartesian product of a and b, then find a and b where x, y, z are distinct elements. So here Cartesian product of a and b, we are getting this. So as first elements are of a and second elements of b, so it means x, y, z, they belongs to a, 1, 2 belongs to b. So here elements of a are these and elements of b are these. Now the question number 10th, Cartesian product of A has 9 elements, among which are found these -1, 0, 0, 1, and find the set A and the remaining elements of AY. So as there is the Cartesian product of A itself, so elements here -1 and 0 belongs to A Cartesian product of A, and 0, 1 belongs to. So it means what? Both the elements are there. First element is of A, second element is also of A, because there is A Cartesian product of A. So it means elements of A are -1, 0, and then 1. So here this. Now as we are writing the Cartesian product of these are the Cartesian product of A by A. Now to find the remaining elements, because already we have -1, 0, and 0, 1, so we have to remove there. So remaining are -1, -1, -1, 1, 0, -1, 0, 0, 1, -1, and 1, 1. So this is all about for today, and I hope you are all are doing these questions seriously. And if anywhere you are finding the difficulty, confusion, so you are free to call me on my WhatsApp. Thank you and have a nice day.